A few important things to note before we begin. Not all of the printers that use the item are listed on the box. If you're unsure whether you've ordered the right item, let us know. We're happy to help. Always take precautions when handling your consumables in order to protect surfaces. We'd recommend placing some newspaper down to prevent any damage. The appearance of the compatible products may vary. Remove the pull tab. This is the breathing hole on the cartridge. This needs to be fully exposed to allow the ink from the cartridge to flow. This is the hole where the ink will come from. Do not remove the seal covering the ink. This will be pierced on installation. This is the cartridge chip.